million day in proposals. With one proposal, you guys, I submitted a proposal for over $1.8 million for the year, with teams, with tech, with over 6 figures every single month, over $2 million proposal, or right at a $2 million proposal in one day, submitted in less than 2 hours. That is blowing my brain. I'm Katrina Julia. I am a multi-passionate entrepreneur, traveler, athlete, creator, and CEO who loves helping you create it like a boss. And this is just one example. So you may be asking, Katrina, how did you get here? How did you even find the proposal? What does it look like? How did you do it so quickly? So glad you asked. If you haven't hit subscribe. What are you waiting for more incredible ways to create it like this? So how I found it is a culmination of several things in the past and past activities that have led to this. So I help creators and CEOs create and scale what they love with freedom, and that overlaps into wellness, into money, into marketing, into business and travel. And over the last 7+ years, I've co-created and automated over 75% of my business, and I use over 3 different virtual assistants. So my brain always works like, basically, okay, let's outline the 3 to 5 steps to get here, and then let's scale it with tech and or with tools and a team so that I free up my time and my brain to create in new ways, okay? So how this particular example came across, and it overlaps into, and I'll show you guys some behind the scenes with the proposal and with the actual opportunity so you can see it, both like it's in process. I'll know more by the end of April as of this recording. So one of the ways I started seeking out opportunities was connecting with LinkedIn contacts with Fortune 500 companies and with the heads of travel bureaus all around the world. And then once I figured out, okay, here's who I'm looking for, this is the pitch that I'm sending them on LinkedIn and or using Sales Navigator, my brain immediately went, okay, the next step from a divine download perspective is to use a tool like LinkedIn Sales Navigator and or to outsource it to my virtual assistant, okay? So freed up the time there. Then as I started thinking limitlessly and thinking more ways to create it, I thought, wait a minute, why am I not searching different RFPs or requests for proposals on travel bureaus as they're seeking out work for creators, for agencies, for content, and all these different things? And the same goes with Fortune 500 companies. So that's how this opportunity came into play. And literally, you guys, when I saw the opportunity and I saw the proposal, my mind, when I saw the RFP, the request proposal, my mind was blown, because I was like, oh my God, I've literally been set up for this, like such a time as this, with all my past, all my experiences, and everything they're asking for the proposal, for the work, for this particular project. Like everything from corporate, everything from the last 7, and it literally blew my mind, because up to this point, I have not yet, as an entrepreneur, made over 6 figures. I have made in the past in corporate 6 to 8 figures for brands repeatedly, and got to 6 figures myself in corporate. But being an entrepreneur, it's been such a ride with like dealing with inner beliefs, lack thoughts, doubts, disbeliefs, fears around finances, and transforming that. So to see where I'm 10 times the level of income now as of this recording this year versus last year, so not yet at full financial stability, but still seeing that progress, still needing help from family, from debt, from different things, but forgiving myself and giving myself grace all along the journey, and still seeing the progress. And then to get here, that being at this opportunity is such a vibe, is such a relief, because that shows me no matter what happens, Gratitude, 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 because no matter what happens, to have arrived here is like, and then not only that, you guys, but the ease and the flow and the alignment with the proposal, the ease and the flow and the alignment with the request for proposal, the RFP, and then the ease and the alignment and the flow when I was putting together the proposal. And I used an incredible tool called HoneyBook. If you guys don't know some of the tools I'm talking about, the VAs, all the things, and you want to know more, definitely check the link in bio. And the very first link there is the 75 tools and resources on the blog. It's also on the show if you want to listen to me via my YouTube channels, via my podcast, Create It Like a Boss, all the things. And so grateful. So I'll show you guys some behind the scenes with the RFP, with the proposal. You can learn more on the series. If you want to connect and create it with me in more ways, definitely check out in the link in bio my Create It Monthly program, where I dive in deep with stuff like this, where I show you stuff like, oh, let's look for the RFPs. Oh, let's set up, the proposal. In my 12 themes in creating it, from Jumpstart to Transformation to Smart Social to Moneymaker and more. And not to mention my fractional CMO program as well, if you're looking for someone to help you build your brand and your business step by step with strategies, structure, systems, and more. So let's create it.